Master Massage Rio Portable Massage Chair is lightweight yet incredibly strong, infinitely adjustable, and extremely comfortable. The chair folds easily and compactly that is super portable and storable. The chair features Ergonomic and makes massage easier and more comfortable. The massage chair comprises a face cushion for supporting the head, a chest pad for supporting the body, an armrest for supporting the arms, 2 leg rests for supporting legs. The face cushion, chest pad, and armrest are made of soft silicone foam. Seat pad and kneeling pad are made of durable molded foam. Its aircraft-grade aluminum construction makes the chair light in weight, only 24 pounds, and its working capacity is 600 pounds. Its fiberglass reinforced nylon parts ensure the durability and safety. The face cradle is 6 ways adjustable. Release the handlebar when adjusting the face cradle and lock it when adjustment is done. A knob is behind the chest pad. Release the knob to adjust the distance between the face cushion and chest pad. The chest pad is removable. Release the handlebar. The chest pad can be moved forward and backward. It can rotate the angle to fit your body. The armrest can move up and down freely by pressing the handle. It can also move upwards without pressing the handle. The angle of the armrest can be adjusted. The front support bar can be retracted by pressing the button. The seat cushion can be lifted up and put down. The chair frame can be retracted and folded up by rotating. The kneeling pads are conveniently removable. Let's review the installation and disassembly of Master Massage Rio Portable Massage Chair.